What's going on, beautiful people? It's Orange from We Teach AI Designs, and in this video I want to answer some of your questions that you left me on YouTube. Let's get right into it. The first question is, hi, I am having that problem. I put black, very dark skin. It always comes up with mixed type women, brown with mixed features, never Sudanese type black. And when I type that in, I get Arab looking black women. Hoping to find a solution. All right, so I really want to find a solution for you, but the way I'm understanding your question is you are looking for women with darker features, similar to the women that live in the Sudan. So I can definitely help you with that. So let's dive right into it. Okay, boom. So we are currently in Discord. In this particular screen, we want to make sure that we are always operating in the direct messages Midjourney bot. This allows us to be able to see our own renders, so that way anything that we create, it doesn't get lost in anybody else's renders or generations or anything like that. So we want to start there. Now, to answer your question in terms of how to get very dark skin women from the Sudan, the complexion of it, we got to be realistic. It's AI, so they're going to be pulling from all types of images. There's all type of people, and they're just really just trying to piece it together as much as possible. The images that we get from the AI Midjourney is going to be based off of what we actually input. So the first prompt that I put in was simply just black woman from the Sudan, and it gave me different various level of images. Here, you have 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is way more closer to what I believe you are looking for. She's definitely the darker of the 4. So let's kind of go through again. The second render, I put dark skin from Sudan. So the first one I put black woman from Sudan. The next one I put dark skin from Sudan. Again, it's AI, so the renders are going to be just as good as what we described. So I think this one gave me a whole lot more closer to what I was looking for. You see that right here in the first render. Very dark skinned woman, definitely have like a Sudanese type of complexion. I think 4 did it really well. So I think, if I wanted to move forward, then I would probably go ahead and upscale 1 or do a variation of 1 to be able to get more of what that person looks like. The third render I created was a dark skinned woman from the Congo. Now, just because you want someone to be dark skinned, like from someone from Sudan, doesn't mean that you can't just throw some other keywords in there, like Congo, Kenya, Nairobi, just different places in Africa that will kind of embody the look that you are going for. I think number 2 did a really good job. And I even put a dark complexion black woman from Sudan. So I got very specific. I want dark skin complexion. Want to make sure that she's a black woman and specifically from the Sudan. And I think number 4 got me the closest to it. So the prompt that I used was dark complexion black woman from the Sudan. So you use that. It's not necessarily a guarantee, but from the results that you told me that you were getting before to this right here, I think this is going to be your best solution. All right, so I hope that answers your question in regards to getting very dark complexion skin. Again, remember, this is AI. It's not perfect, but the AI is going to do what we tell it to do. So your creations is only going to be as good as what you described it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Peace.